Hi there, I'm Alex and I'm on the risk team at GoFundMe. Your safety is our top priority, so I wanted to take this opportunity to share some tips for online safety, specifically how to spot and steer clear of phishing scams. So what exactly is phishing? Phishing is an attempt to get your personal details, such as your username, password, or financial information, by pretending to be a trustworthy website or person. Given that GoFundMe fundraisers are open to the public, it's not uncommon for these bad actors to target GoFundMe organizers. Here's an example of what a phishing text or email might look like. And here are a couple flags to watch out for. A text message or email asking you to accept a donation or recover your account by clicking a link. Any message pressuring you to act immediately with little information. And lastly, any link that takes you to a website that is not GoFundMe.com. Remember, any legitimate communication from GoFundMe will always come from an official GoFundMe.com email address. You can help keep your account safe by using a strong, unique password that is not shared with anyone else. And if something seems off to you, or if you get a message that just doesn't feel right, don't hesitate to reach out to us at account-security@GoFundMe.com. And if you've already clicked a link that seems a little suspicious, please change your account password right away and reach out to us. Remember, we're here to help, and you can also check out our help center for additional GoFundMe and online safety tips.